When we first bought our fixer-upper, I knew that this backyard had tons of potential. I saw it as a blank canvas and an opportunity to really make this backyard our own. There's a lot I want to change, but a few things that I absolutely love about this backyard are the trees. We have 2 orange trees, a 70-year-old avocado tree, and a big, beautiful magnolia tree. We've been attempting to spruce up our backyard for 2.5 years, and everything has always just been so much work. And I've never had a clear, definitive vision of what I wanted for this backyard until now. Here are a few inspo pics on the vision I have for the space. I'm taking a lot of inspiration from that Nancy Meyers aesthetic. I created a 3D mock-up of our backyard with my design ideas, and overall, I want this to function for our family, for entertaining, and to grow fresh fruits and vegetables, and to plant more fruit trees. We started and prepped a few of these projects last summer, but nothing that really made a dent in the vision I have for the space. On this backyard renovation, the first thing that we are doing is getting rid of this red eyesore of a fence. It's falling over and it has to go, so we're replacing this fence in the next part, so be sure to like and follow for more home renovation and to see us finally turn my backyard dreams into a reality.